You sit down to order at a cafe. You're currently on diet. Your status necessitates that you choose very wisely. To be safe, you turn to the section labeled salads, glance through the options, and make your choice. Stop! You may not be acting as virtuously as you think. Traditionally, the term salad referred to a collection of vegetables and herbs that had been cut up and seasoned, and they were served raw. These days, restaurant salads can include a variety of less traditional ingredients, including pasta, meat, cheese, and bread. So when you choose the pasta salad, that pasta salad could quite comfortably sit in the pasta section of the menu. But in the pasta section, you would have given it a miss. The restaurateur knew this. So he added a couple of extra lettuce leaves, jacked up the price, and stuck the dish in the salad section. And that's what you ordered. As a dieter, you're being duped. Join us for this episode of Better Body Chemistry TV as we explore how the semantics of dieting can lead to dieting faux pas so you don't get caught out. Better Body Chemistry TV is brought to you by Dr. Sandy, a scientist turned gremlin buster, helping you battle sugar gremlins, heifer lumps, and other health horribles through better body chemistry. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health. A team of marketing profs set out to explore to what extent terminology influenced dieters' behavior. To start things off, they headed to a downtown mall to talk to some shoppers. They stopped 77 shoppers and asked to do a thought experiment. The shoppers were required to imagine that they were at their favorite restaurant, which was offering a special on a pasta cum salad meal. The ingredients included diced tomato, onions, and red peppers tossed with pasta shells, salami, mozzarella cheese, and dressed with a savory herb vinegar. And all of this was served chilled on a bed of fresh romaine lettuce. In the thought experiment, the dish was served either as a salad or a pasta. Now, the shoppers were asked to rate how healthy the meal was. Once this had been established, they completed a little survey to see if they were currently on diet. The responses varied according to the person's dieting status. The results can be seen here. The dieters perceived the meal to be less healthy when it was called a pasta. Those individuals not dieting were unconcerned about the health connotations of the meal and failed to make the healthful connection. So what? This is a thought experiment. No food was actually consumed. Surely dieters would not make the mistake of eating more. Well, not really. Our team moved from the streets to the lab to test what would actually happen in a real life scenario. Since they weren't rich enough to provide hundreds of meals, they did part two on college students, feeding them chews and paying them with course credits. The chews were either marketed as candy or as fruit chews. Now, to reinforce the point, the students were privy to the ingredients list, and the researchers made sure they actually read the ingredient list by quizzing them afterwards. Those who failed the test were removed from the study. Exactly the same thing happened. Dieters put the fruit juice on a pedestal, or maybe it would be more accurate to say they trashed the candy chews. And then they ate more of them when they were given an opportunity to snack on them. Aish, talk about a diet faux pas. Could this be happening to you? Well, the team tried to unpack why dieters, who on paper at least should be more attuned to healthy foods, were so easily duped. They suspect the diet fail happened because of conditioning. Dieting is hard work. You have to think about what to eat, when, and how much. And to make matters worse, when you're dieting, being a little hungry goes with the territory. Our team speculated that the dieters' brains are looking for shortcuts. Years and years of marketing have led to foods being classified as good or bad. When a dieter encounters a so called good food, they let their guard down. And since they're typically a little hungry, well, it's easy to overdo it. In contrast to the dieter, the non dieter is motivated by one thing: is what is on offer good to eat? If it is, well, they'll tuck in until they've had enough. Since they're not chronically deprived, enough is reached sooner. Now, for the bad news: the food industry is out to sabotage your diet. Okay, that might be a little bit over the top. But the food industry is in business to make profits, and they only make profit when you buy. And they're aware that food terms can become tainted in dieters' heads. They also know that the dieter is on the lookout for specific terms. So they change the terms. By manipulating the offensive term, the food item moves from the bad category to the good. Ka-ching, ka-ching, money in the register, and an extra layer of fat on your hips. So, what other products are masquerading as healthful when their true healthfulness is subject to debate? Well, potato chips are veggie chips. Milkshakes are smoothies. Sugary drinks are flavored water. And the word organic elevates foods to healthful in a flash. Organic cookies are still full of sugar. So, if you're on diet and considering popping something into your mouth, stop. Don't assume anything. Read the list of ingredients, then decide whether to tuck in or skip out. This habit will help you avoid dieting faux pas and help you create better body chemistry and better health. Interested in discovering more ways to create better body chemistry or need a little help getting your body chemistry on track? Visit our website at www.betterbodychemistry.com. Browse our library or enroll in our free 0 to 1 weight loss course. The advice is simple to follow and based on real science, not hype. Know someone who religiously orders salad when eating out? Share this video with them so they're clued into how the food industry can sabotage their weight loss efforts. And if this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you catch future episodes of Better Body Chemistry TV. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember, small things can make a big difference to your health.